So hello everyone, myself Subham Sarkar. I am from West Bengal and currently I am pursuing M.Sc final year in the Material Science from the Department of Material Science, Sardar Patel University. And before this, I have completed my undergraduation in Industrial Chemistry from the Department of Industry and Applied Chemistry, Ramakrishna Mission Vidya Mandira, Belurmat. So in the last year, I have completed my undergraduation, and after completing my undergraduation, I was looking for a field which is not only interesting but also which can offer me a perfect combinations, or you can say a perfect balance between the research and the technology, and that is nothing but the material science. And truly I think it's one of my best decision in my academic journey, because material science is not an ordinary science. It's give you a theoretical exposure, theoretical knowledge, and also hands-on experience, instrumental experience, or it is an interdisciplinary subject, and it's a combinations of the physics, chemistry and the engineering. So I have told you that why I have chosen the material science. Now a question should occur in your mind that why I did choose this department, the Department of Material Science, Sardar Patel University. So the major reason behind of this decision was my seniors, because many of my seniors has already completed their M.Sc in the material science from particular this department, and now they are well settled in their own field. Some are in the very prestigious institutes of India like the IISc, IITs, and some are working in the research organizations and the industrial R&D sections. So that's the very reason I have came here. And I have started initially I have told you that I have already completed my 1 year journey in this department. So from the personal experience in this department, I can tell you and I can affirm you that it will offer you a most friendly and the supportive journey throughout these 2 years. And obviously the faculties in this department are too much cooperative, supportive, and throughout this journey you will get a perfect combinations of the theoretical knowledge, hands-on experience, the instrumental skills, and also some professional growth, and also you will involve in skill development programs. और कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को अगर एमएससी के बाद हायर स्टडीज के लिए आईआईटी आईआईएससी जैसा रेप्यूटेड इंस्टीट्यूट्स में जाना है फॉर एमटेक और पीएचडी, दे कैन ऑल्सो चूज दिस डिपार्टमेंट, बिकॉज हमारा जो डिपार्टमेंट है उसमें जो आईआईटी आईआईएससी में जाने के लिए जो एंट्रेंस टेस्ट होता है, द गेट एग्जाम, उसके लिए भी आपको गाइडेंस मिलेगा. हमारा फैकल्टी जो है वो आपको गाइड करेंगे. इवन आई हैव ऑलरेडी क्वालिफाइड इन दिस ईयर द गेट 2026. और अगर किसी को अगर आपको एमएससी के बाद जॉब के लिए जाना है और प्लेसमेंट लेना है तो आप प्लेसमेंट के लिए भी जा सकते हो, क्योंकि हमारा डिपार्टमेंट का कनेक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा है. और इवन आप मटेरियल साइंस चूज कर रहे हो, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला कि मटेरियल साइंस एक इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी सब्जेक्ट है, तो आपके पास वैरायटी ऑफ ऑप्शंस रहता है टू चूज द इंडस्ट्री. इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर सिरामिक इंडस्ट्री, पॉलीमर इंडस्ट्री, सेमीकंडक्टर इंडस्ट्री, एंड एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. So overall, if you want to explore something new, innovative, if you have a strong passion in the science, and if you want to go for the higher studies in the reputed and prestigious institutes of the India, and if you want to go and explore the R&D section of the industry, you should come in our department, the Department of the Material Science. So thank you. I hope to see you. Many of you will join our family, the family of the Material Science, and thanks again.